Good day, everyone. You're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always being there. You, my subscriber out there, I want to really appreciate you. Thank you very much. If this is your first time you watch my video, I welcome you to this channel. Here's a channel where you can learn how to cut and sew, and at the same time how to crochet different kinds of wear. You can see it's double portion. So all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button below and you hit on the notification bell so that you can have access to my video. Thank you very much. Now what I have today is how to make a simple umbrella skirt, very fitted one and very smart. So it's an office umbrella skirt. So in this video I'm going to take you through step by step how you can achieve it. It's very easy. Just take your time and watch this video to the end. So as you can see, I have fabric. My fabric here is a fold is on the wrong side. This is the wrong side of the fabric, and this is the right side. So right now you can see it's on fold. I folded it into two. Now the length of this fabric is 60 inches. So right now we are going to start. So before I start, I need to clarify this. Now, it depends on how wide you want the base of the skirt to be, but it shouldn't be more than it should be more than times 2 of your hip, or 2 3/4. So I measured this out. Now the hip of this skirt is 36 inches. Now 36 times 2, I will be having, 36, this one, I'm going to cut out the front part. It doesn't have front, both front and back is the same. So I'm going to cut one piece of this. So the hip of this same skirt is 36, and 36 divided by 4, I will be having 9. So that 9, based on the base, I'm going to multiply that 9 by 2. So I will be having 2 times 9, I have 18 inches. So plus 1 extra, or highest 2 extra, making 20. So when I measure it, I have like 19 inches here. You can make yours 20, but that is okay like that. So we are going to start. So now this place, I'm going to measure between 6 inches or 6.5 inches. I'm going to measure 6.5 inches downward. So I have my 6.5 inches here. So I will be taking it all around like a flay. So I also measure 6.5 inches here. Then I come here, 6.5 inches. If you discover that it's going towards this end, you can make it longer. You can add 1 inch to this one, making it, because I won't want it to go to this side. I want it to be up to this side here. So like you can see here, by the time the waist of this skirt is 28 inches. Now 28 inches divided by 4, I will be having 7 inches. Now by the time I place my tape rule and I measure, so I think I have 8 inches. I think it's okay like this. So right now I'm going to stop here. So what I'm going to do next is just to connect this line together. So I connect these lines together. Can you see? So I haven't connected these lines together now. So I'm going to measure from here 1 inch downward. 1 inch. So I'm going to connect this line to meet this. Can you see? So I will be working with this and this. So right now I'm going to place my rule. So I'm going to make it like this in a slant form. You see, remember I said it's an umbrella. So in a slant form, and the length, I want to measure the length. But before I measure the length, I will make sure that sorry, I want to measure the, I would like to measure the hip first, that is the hip circumference. But before that, I will make sure that the length actually is actually what I want. So you can see I have here 36 is okay by me. So right now I'm going to measure the hip. You can see where I place my tape rule, not on the first one. Can you see? I've placed it in this new one I've just created, this new line. So like I said, the hip is 36 inches, and 36 divided by 4, I will be having 9. So now the depth of from the waist to the hip is usually between 6 or 7. So I'm going to make my like 6.5 or 6 inches. I'm going to make my 6 inches. Now I'm going to add extra 0.5. So from this point, I will be measuring 6.5 inches downward. So this is going to be the point of my hip measurement. So right now, I'm going to measure here also. What I measure here is what I will be measuring here, 6.5. I have it here. So I'm going to place my rule and measure the hip circumference. Now the hip circumference, I said, is 9. I have my 9 here, plus 1 inch or less than that, 1 inch. So I have the total of 10 inches here. Can you see? So now I can go to the down part. From the waist to the down, I will be using 36 inches, and here is it. So I'm going to connect this line to the hip and to the down part. Sorry, this cloth is a bit stretchy, so I'm going to do the connection, the line properly. Now as you can see, I've connected the lines. I hope you can see this line. I've connected the lines to the base, and the line, you remember, is 36 here on this side. Now this is the front side. The front side here, I'm going to add extra 2 to 36, which I have on this side. So because the front is going to be a bit longer, like 2 inches or 1.5 inches than the side, so that I will have a very curved look. So I'm going to measure from here. I'm going to measure 38 instead of 36, which I have here. Now after this, I'm going to connect this line to this line at the base. So that is the next thing I shall be doing right now. So I measure 38 inches. So I have my 38 inches right here. So from this point, I'm going to connect to this side. And you see, you can see the curve. It's just a slight curve, not too much. Can you see the curve? So it's just 2 inches here longer than this side. So right now I can now cut it out. Now as you can see, I've cut it out. So I'm going to use this piece to cut out the second piece, because it's 2, one in the front, the other at the back. So if you look at the waist, I have 8 inches, and the hip, I have like 10 inches. So it's okay like this. Now the next thing, like I said, is to use this piece to cut out the second piece. So as you can see right here, I've used the first piece to cut out the second piece. Can you see? So you can see the shape of the skirt. Very, very easy and smart. So all I need to do is just to place the second one on this. So I stitch the two sides, then also the base. Then I'm going to insert some elastic to this. So that's just it. So I want to appreciate you all for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you very, very much. You can see it's as simple as that. So if you have any comments, please, regarding this video, please kindly drop your comment in the comments section. Thank you very much. And like I always say, please, please, you can share this video out. You can like with this video. I will really appreciate it. Please like my video. Thank you very much. And don't forget to always share my video like I've just said. Thank you very much. So till I come your way again, bye for now.